Welcome to Express Windows and Doors, a division of Express Glass. We provide aluminium windows and doors made fast and specialise in short production runs and custom sizes. From the Express Windows and Doors homepage, you can place your Express order, obtain an instant quote, and view our range. To begin with, you need to register. Click on the login button, and here you'll find a link that says click here to register. Fill in your details, then press submit. You will then be sent an email which will have a link for you to click that will activate your account and allow you to create a password. Once done, you can log into the website with your username and password. Let's take a look at how to obtain an instant quote. Click on Instant Quote and you'll be able to see our full range of windows and doors that come in a variety of standard sizes. Choose a product. On the product page, you will find technical drawings for that particular product. If you'd like to order a custom size, find the standard size that's closest to and just above the custom size that you're after, as you can set a lower custom size but not a higher one. If your custom size is too much under the standard size, a warning will come up in red. This indicates that there is another standard size available that's closer to your custom size, and you will need to select that option. There are a range of other custom options, including colour type, glass type, child safety locks, screens, and reveals. The installation options are pickup, deliver to site, install to prepared opening, and remove and replace, including disposal. From here you can add to cart to purchase immediately, or add to quote. When you choose the latter, a product selection window will open to display your products. You can continue to shop or click Next Step to obtain your quote. Next, provide your quote contact information. There's also the option for you to upload plans, images, or other relevant files. Click on Next Step, check your details, then click Submit. You'll then be emailed a quote which will contain information on how to place your order if you wish to proceed. By clicking on your profile, you'll be taken to a dashboard where you can also find information on your quotes and orders. We manufacture all-spec window systems, high-quality products designed for Australian conditions. For more detailed technical information about the products we offer, you can find a link to the all-spec website at the bottom of our homepage. If you have any questions about setting up an account, please email service@expressglass.com.au.